So, weather word off of that story. Yeah. What's the one thing you think of? What is that gonna? That's gonna be so fragrant. That's going to be the most fragrant mulch imaginable. And that's my weather word. Fragrant.
Fragrant.
I let you off the hook with an easy one yesterday, Bets.
Why can't we have cloud as
No, that's not going to work. No, I want to hear you say the word fragrant in your weather forecast.
Does now count fragrant?
No, it does not.
All right, let's take a look at what's going on. I got to figure this one out for sure.
It's tough.
I'll tell you what. Fragrant.
She's a little peeved at this one, I think.
I know. I knew she was going to be.
What the heck am I going to come up with?
And you look so proud for that.
I'm happy.
Can I phone a friend and get Wince on the line, please?
Yeah, that's,
he's the one who figures all these out. All right, temperatures are in the 20s. We're not going to change that as we head through the night. Mainly cloudy skies still in control now, and we may get a few random snowflakes here and there. Farther west, the clearing is already taking place. We're shutting down the lake effect snow off of the northern lakes. So all in all, things are looking really good. Clouds on the decrease tonight, temperatures dropping back into the 20s to start the day tomorrow. I'm still trying to think of how to do this. Partly cloudy skies in the afternoon, temperatures topping out in the 30s. I'm just going to get it out of the way now. We'll have a southwest wind, so hopefully that means tomorrow we'll have a pleasant, fragrant day for you. Blame Jay, don't blame me. Not my best work at all. Here is your National Design hour-by-hour forecast for tomorrow. We do have some sunshine prospects in the forecast, so that's always good, smells or not. Temperatures are going to be topping out in the mid-30s, which is pretty close to right on time for this time of the year. All right, let's talk about this weekend because I want to spend a little time on this. Right now, heavy snow chances here in Northeast Ohio remain low. That is unchanged. East Coast, New England, whole different story. But here in Northeast Ohio, heavy snow chances remain low. The storm system is winding its way out of the Four Corners region and into Texas right now. This thing is still expected to drop down toward the Gulf Coast, where it will pick up a whole lot more moisture. It will reorganize and then ride up the East Coast. It still looks like the storm system will be aiming toward Outer Banks and then offshore, which would put New England in line for that heavy snow. But we're still going to get kind of sideswiped by it. So here's how it all goes down. Our storm system still headed down to the Gulf Coast states, as mentioned. High pressure and control here, so we kind of have a little bit of breathing room, which is good news. This is noon tomorrow, and you can see an area of low pressure beginning to develop. It really organizes tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then moves with a lot of rain throughout the southeastern U.S. On the northern tier of that, we will have some snow that develops. This is noon on Saturday, and through the afternoon Saturday, areas especially east have the best chances for snow. As that storm system continues to move up toward New England, then there's like a little kicker wave of energy on the backside of this that will likely bring us snow and mix for our Sunday. So this is Sunday at noon. The whole shebang is out of here by Monday. So let's talk about how much. Well, the weekend snow forecasts have remained unchanged with where the heavy snow is expected to be, at least on the big scale. All of it aiming toward New England. Here in Northeast Ohio, though, we still have some snow accumulations. And if we just fast forward through the entire weekend and we take a look at it, how impressed are you? Not very, okay? Just not a lot of snow is coming in with this. The system snow is all aiming east. It could still jog, but I don't think the heavy snow is coming here. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast. Temperatures in the upper 30s this weekend, which means any snow that does fall will probably be on the slushy side. It's out of here Monday, and then a whole nother storm system revs up Tuesday and Wednesday next week. That one will stay west of us, brings in a lot more warm air, so we're expecting more rain and then colder air to fill in behind with a chance for some snow on the backside of that. And Jay and Chris, I got to tell you, in the longer term forecast, there's a couple more storm systems. We're just into this active pattern. So every few days for about the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I would expect something to be rolling through.
So the kids will be saying, will I have school tomorrow?
Oh, yeah.
You know how that
goes.
goes.
Jammies on inside out. What's the spoon under the pillow? There's ice cubes down the toilet. I'm trying to think of all the different things you have to do. So
yeah,
get
all
ready.
wives' tales. The one thing that I'm looking for is a day on the forecast map that has all sun, and it looks like we're going to go at least 3+ it into that 4th week without one of those.
Yeah, June is right around the corner.
Yeah, sure it is. Thanks, Bets.
Okay.
See you next half hour. Next up.